Developing now, we got our first real-time look at the woman accused of shooting and killing a mother from behind a closed door. Susan Lawrence faced a judge this morning in Marion County after she was arrested for the death of 35-year-old A.J. Owens.
Owens was the mother of 4 children, 2 of whom witnessed her death. West 2's Anika Hope live at the Marion County Jail this afternoon. So, Anika, where is Lawrence now?
Susan Lawrence is in jail, and prosecutors said this morning they plan to file paperwork to ask that she stay there until trial. But that will be up to the judge because the state says she is entitled to the bond. Susan Lawrence stood before a judge Thursday.
Good morning, ma'am. What is your name?
Susan Lorenz.
Almost a week after she's accused of shooting and killing a mother of 4, A.J. Owens.
Ma'am, do you have a job?
Not right now, no.
Lawrence told the judge she had worked in insurance but had filed for disability. The judge granted her a public defender.
Is she not entitled to a bond?
She is, Your Honor. However, if the court is inclined to give her a bond, the state would alternatively argue that it would be appropriate that her bond be significantly higher than what the bond schedule allows.
We asked former police officer and now professor of forensic studies at Florida Gulf Coast University, Dr. David Thomas, why Lawrence is entitled to a bond at all.
Because it's not a life felony, because it's manslaughter. Had it been first-degree murder or sexual battery or, one of those that rise to that level, then she would not be entitled to a bond.
The victim's mother and her attorney, Ben Crump, said that while they are thankful for an arrest, they hope Lawrence faces more than a manslaughter charge, that this was murder.
I am grieving. I am grieving to my core. But I have 4 children who are relying on me.
We want him to zealously prosecute the killer of A.J. Owens just like he would do if the roles had been reversed.
Thomas says prosecutors often file more conservative charges at first.
Now, I'm going to say something that I know state attorneys don't like to hear, but their record is how they present to people, to the public, because they're elected officials, is based on wins and losses.
But as pressure grows from local protests to national attention, the charges could change to second-degree murder.
Because there's so much public interest in this case, and there is an element of race, that the state wants to make sure that they get it right.
Now, just moments ago, we got the 911 calls from neighbors in the moments after A.J. Owens was shot. We'll play those for you now.
My neighbor has been banging on the wall between our apartments and screaming at the kids outside. And all of a sudden, I heard what to me sounded like a gunshot.
We'll be going through those and have more of those for you at 5 and 6 this evening. Because of the delay in that bond paperwork, Lawrence is expected to appear tomorrow at 9 a.m. for her initial appearance. We're live in Marion County. Anika Hope, West 2 News.